Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a peregrine falcon. So before we get started, I would love if you would leave a comment and let me know something you would like to draw and maybe request something that I could show you how to draw. I would also love if you could leave a like on this video and subscribe if you are new here. Alrighty, so to start drawing the peregrine falcon, I'm going to start with the face, with the head of the falcon. So let's see, I'm going to start over towards this side because he's going to be kind of just standing. So his body's going to be going this way, in this direction. So I'm going to do the head right here. So I'm going to start with a little circle for the eye. And I'm going to put a little circle in that and then color the biggest part all dark. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to surround this eye with a little bit of a strange shape, like that. And now we can work on the beak. So we're coming outward and coming down. And then I'm just making kind of little lines here, going down this way. And then we're gonna go horizontally here. And so his beak is gonna have a little bit of a point right there. And now we can do the bottom, just like that. And I'm actually going to give it more of a point. There we go. So now we can do a little circle here, and I'm going to do some lines right here and on the bottom. And some more right here and some more right here, because this part is going to be all dark, as is this part right here. Alright, so now we can do the shape of the head. So I'm starting above the eye and coming on down towards the beak, like that. And right here we're going to come down and down right here. And we're kind of slanting now. We're starting to slant a bit. And now we're starting a bit of a wing. Bringing the shape up. Curving here. And then coming on up and going this way, and then bringing this line up here to the beak. This line, we're coming down. And I'm going to start right here with some feathers. So our feathers they're just kind of U shapes. And I'm coming on up with them. I'm going to do some more here on the bottom. A few more. And let's see, let's do a bit of tail feathers. So coming on out here and then coming back in. I'm doing a pile of those. So here for the wing, I'm going to do some U shapes. They're kind of U's on a slant. So you can just do a pile of these little U shapes all over the place here on the wing. And we can do a pile of these U shapes here on the chest. And let's do some feet. So slanting a bit with a line and another one. We're gonna do a bit of a back claw and come forward and do a front one. And then we'll have another one here. And let's do another foot too, another leg. So we've got our back claw and a front one, another front one. Okay, so now on these little U shapes, we're going to do a little bit of a darker bit. We're going to thicken up these little U's. So we don't have to do it to every single one. And if you want, you can save this part for when you're coloring. And the feathers down here, we're gonna do some little stripy lines. And of course, you can also do these little stripy lines. Save that for when you're coloring. And we're going to put some here on these tail feathers. All right, so I'm also going to add a few little strokes right here, kind of in a rounded shape. And now I'm going to start coloring. All right, we are finished the Peregrine Falcon drawing. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here for the next Daily Doodle. Okay, everybody, goodbye.